let me help Joe.
Come on, Joe. Oh, I need to get your bag, Joe.
Oh, wait for Joe. Wait for Joe. I'm going to help. He needs to see what to do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait for Joe. He needs to see what to do.
Joe.
Oh!
It's so beautiful. I love it.
What is it?
Mama, I got lots of pretty things from the Easter Bunny.
Oh,
A pink egg.
here, Joe. Collect some eggs for your bag.
Joe, look at eggs. Look over here. Eggs. These are for Joe. These little ones are for Joe. But keep looking around everywhere you look.
Hey,
Joe, come here and look
I
at.
found one.
Yay! Joe, look at eggs. Can you put one in your bag? Can you put it in
What did the Easter Bunny bring for you?
ups, ups.
That's your basket.
Yeah, I'm collecting some eggs. Easter Bunny
Can you
did
get that
lots
one?
of eggs for
Can you
me.
get that one?
There's someone on the windowsill.
Save some for Joe. Maybe give that blue one to Joe.
That one. Can you get that one?
Okay.
Yay!
I
Joe!
There's some on the stairs over there.
Yay! Yay!
Save one for Joe that's on the stairs, but you can find the rest.
No, you don't got thrown. Joe.
That's how he gets the candy out.
Okay, let's go find more eggs. Come on,
Oh,
Joe.
here's one. Joe, here's one right here, buddy.
I'm collecting some.
You finding a lot?
Yeah. Can you take a picture of me and my basket?
Put it in your bag.
Oh, yes.
Put it in your bag.
Yay!
Yay!